You know what's a terrible way to control weeds? The typical synthetic landscape barrier fabric. This stuff breaks down over time. It's not a permanent solution, and when it does, it breaks into little pieces of plastics, and it's horrible to take out of your bed. It just tears apart. Next thing you know, you've got microplastics all over your landscaping, in your gardens with your vegetables, and like me, in your well water, as those microplastics seep down through the soil and remain there basically permanently. We got this great new product. It's innovative in that it's 100% plant-based, mostly made of hemp fibers grown here in Montana. We've introduced those hemp fibers along with some Veocell fibers from Lenzing to produce a specialty non-woven in the Spunlace process. But the key is, if you want to make a change, you can't make it hard. So you've got to have a product that performs the same, gets used the same, gets deployed the same, and that's what we've done here, is we've created a fabric, a non-woven fabric that is very similar to the traditional weed barriers, right? So it's similar thickness, similar weight, provides tons of strength. Look at that. Rah! Rah! And it can be installed in the same way. Sometimes innovation is a simple change in the construction of something, but the key is to enable it to be adopted without a change in the application and use. This is a product that's ubiquitous on the market. This is weed barrier. It's a subset of a greater group of products called geotextiles. You may not be familiar with the term, but you've seen them everywhere. Most oftentimes involving synthetic materials used in applications like road underlayment to stabilize roads, but also used to stabilize slopes and hills. You see this oftentimes on the side of the highway when they're putting in a new bridge or something like that, where they need to roll out a blanket like this. This is erosion or sediment control blanket. So it's a subset of the geotextile category, oftentimes made with natural fibers, but those fibers are always imported from out of the country. This particular product is made with hemp on the inside of the blanket material, and then it's got a natural fiber netting on the outside. So it's 100% biodegradable, which is relatively uncommon, but we're seeing a lot of pressure in the industry, regulatory perspectives, consumer prerogative to move away from plastic. So oftentimes this is a plastic net that's used. In this case, it's a natural fiber net. The industrial hemp crop grows extremely well all over the world. But right here in Montana, we've found success at growing hemp for fiber. These plants will get to be 14 feet tall. They can produce 5 tons to the acre of biomass. Doesn't need a whole lot of pesticides or herbicides, making it an extremely environmentally friendly crop to grow. Not to mention the amount of carbon that can get deposited into the soil for soil organic carbon, and the amount of carbon that can get sequestered in the biomass to be used in all kinds of applications, from geotextiles to construction materials to automotive parts. We're super excited to see everybody at Tech Textile this week. We're going to show off a variety of textiles that have been made with our fiber, from wovens to non-wovens and knits and so on and so forth. We've got applications in high loft airlay thermal bonded and carded and cross-lap needle punch composites for automotive. We've even got some spunlace material used in wipes and one of our new exciting innovations, a weed barrier fabric. We're coming for you, Department of Transportations all around the country. We're gonna get this stuff approved, and we're gonna get it on the sides of your highways. It's made with hemp fiber. This is the best stuff in the world. Snoop Dogg, if you're out there, Martha Stewart, I think this one's for you.